Okay, so here's this sort of bit of errata that I don't really know where to put this, but this is a technique that I use in my practice just to kind of facilitate speed and ease of needling when you're busy. And this was actually inspired by a guy named Murat Azveri, who is a master of traditional Turkish style horse archery, which I'm sure you guys are all familiar with. So they have a speed shooting technique that they use in this style of archery where the archer will hold extra arrows in the draw side hand, I believe. You know, my Turkish archer friends can yell at me for getting that wrong, I'm sure. So I was inspired by this, and I thought, wow, it would be really cool if we could do something like that with needles. So what I like to do sometimes is I'll get a few needles, maybe like 3 or 4. I find I can only really hold like 3 or 4 max, because I have these freaky tiny little carny hands. But you know, that may differ depending on hand size and shape. But so what I'll do is hold them like so, and then I'll just needle. So I find that just really gives me a nice, smooth and fast, without feeling rushed, way to go through my needling protocol. So it's there. Use it if you feel like it. Don't use it if you don't. Just thought I should include it for you all. The one sort of question that I have about it, and Dr. Brett will be better able to answer this as the resident infection control maven. I don't know if using the pockets here for the empties disrupts the clean needle technique. I don't think it should, because the needles are single-use disposable and they're hermetically sealed in there. So the needles themselves, I know, are never making secondary contact, but you know, it's Dr. Brett's really the expert on that, so you have to go with what she says. All right?